Hello, hello. It is gloomy, cloudy. The leaves are changing. It is definitely fall here in Denver. I'll insert like a little so you can see outside of my balcony. It's kind of cool. I like it. I really like spring, summer, and fall in Denver. And winter is just tough because it gets so dark so early. I don't like the snow. I don't really mind the cold too much. I mean, I'd prefer it to be like a nicer temperature, but I just don't like driving in the snow. It's coming. I got new tires on my car, so I think I'm gonna be okay. And I usually just cancel my day. I'm like, it's snowing. I'm done. So today we're gonna be playing with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie Concealer. This has been really intriguing. I think they did this on purpose because they did like a little like sponge tip applicator thing on top. So it looks really intriguing. And I don't really know how you're supposed to blend with this sponge thing. Let's get into the description and let's figure it out. Oh yeah, I got the shade 41NN. All right, this is $33. It says Urban Decay Quickie 24-hour full coverage waterproof concealer features a hydrating formula and built-in brush, making it the ultimate for a perfect looking complexion. Features: size matters. Quickie has 2 times more product than the leading competitor. Easy on-the-go coverage. The dual-ended applicator features a built-in brush for convenient on-the-go coverage. Anywhere, literally, only one swipe needed. The full coverage concealer formula means you don't have to waste product to get the look you want. Non-comedogenic, quick concealer won't clog pores, so if you have acne-prone skin, you can go for the Quickie without worries. Cruelty-free, benefits, waterproof, don't be afraid to get wet. Keeps your skin hydrated, infused with vitamin E. This hydrating concealer moisturizes for up to 24 hours. You're fully covered, good for a wide range of skin types. Quickie concealer covers dark circles, acne, and discoloration. Let's see what they say how to use. 1. Tap it. The comfy doe foot concealer applicator is the best for targeting and precision. 2. Buff it. The built-in vegan washable buffing brush makes it easy to blend. Whether you're targeting blemishes, using all over the face, Quickie doubles as a foundation, or even blending in your contour. You can use Quickie in a darker shade than your skin tone to contour. So this isn't a sponge, it's a brush, which is interesting. So I do have to tell you that when I swatch this just right now, and when I swatch this in store, I did swatch this in store to try to get my color. It seems very thick and it does not seem like it's gonna budge anywhere. So that's interesting that this is a brush. It's gonna be hard for the camera to pick up because it's so dark, but it seems really soft. I don't know if I wanna use it. I kind of want to use my other brush, but that's kind of cool. Like if you needed this, like, ooh, it does feel just a little rough. I wonder how you take this out and wash it, because it did say that this was detachable. Maybe we'll try to dive in there and try to get that. Anyway, okay, so let's go ahead and put it on the face and we will see what's up. I'm scared because this is like full coverage. Let's grab a brush. Start blending. I just don't want it to look cakey, you know what I mean? Okay, it blends out nicely, and it's not as like heavy as I thought it was going to look. I actually kind of want to do just a little bit more. So here's the first layer. And it blended pretty nicely. It does, I feel like it does kind of dry quickly. I'm gonna do just a touch more under my eye just to see what that would look like. Oh yeah, you can layer this up. So this is the second layer. So I'm gonna do just a touch more on the other side. I think it looks really nice before powder. Like I said, my lighting's not the greatest today, so we're gonna go. I'm gonna be driving around all day, so we're gonna be checking this out in the natural light. But this is not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. Okay, let me powder. Let's see how it handles with powder. I'm gonna use the Fenty, just because I have it right here on my desk. Powdered, unpowdered. I feel like it kind of looks the same. My lighting's way off, so you're not gonna be able to tell. But I feel like it kind of looks the same. Like, I don't know. This seems like a little bit drier formula. So it'd be interesting to see. I think today, because I'm like, okay, we're gonna powder half the face. And I'm like, ooh, I like the way that looks better with the powder. But I think it looks the same. So I think we're just gonna do half powder, half not. We're gonna try that out today. we might be walking around looking like a crazy person. Okay, so this side is powdered. We have to remember that. This side, right, my right side. So let's jump into the wear test and see how it wears. Okay, I have been running around for like 7 hours now. Oh, our car is not parked. Let me show you. I'm a little sweaty, but not too bad. I have not touched up yet. This definitely is more of a long wearing, like thicker formula. I like it. I think it looks pretty good. Remember we did this side with the powder and then this side without the powder. I feel like the unpowdered side is holding up a little bit better. I did like the powdered side better first initially because it was like more blurring, obviously, but this side's holding up just a little bit better. It was getting like a little weird. It was clinging to like some dry patches around my nose, but I think that's more of a me problem. But in that same vein, this is like a more matte formula, so keep that in mind. It's definitely more full coverage, a little heavier, and it's definitely more of a matte formula, so keep that all in mind. Like if you have really dry skin, I don't know if you would like this. I think it's definitely meant maybe for like combo skin, but I like it, definitely. I'm going to keep playing around with it. I think it's wearing really well. It's definitely long wearing, and it's nice. It's kind of blurring on the skin. I think it's really nice. So yeah, there you go. Thank you so much for joining me on this review. I'll link below a playlist of all my other reviews. Hit that subscribe button. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And yeah, leave me in the comments below what you would like me to review. I would love some suggestions on what you guys want to see, what you want me to test out so you guys can save your money. So yeah, leave those in the comments below. So thank you so much again for joining me, and I will check you on the next one.